Find the value of the green area. Label points A, B, C, D, E, Q, H and G. Join line A or C and let line B, C be equals to X. But line A or D equals line B, G, which equals to the sum of X and 2. It is because the opposite side lengths of a rectangle are equal. And line AB equals 8. Line CD equals line DE minus line CE, which equals 4. After simplification of substituted values. Since line D equals line A, H. This is because opposite side lengths of a rectangle are equal. Consider right triangle ABC. Use Pythagoras theorem. The square off line A equals the sum of the square line AB and the square of line B, C, which equals the sum of the square of 8 and the square of X. It implies that the square of line AC equals the sum of 64 and the square fx. We call it equation 1. From right triangle ACD. Use Pythagoras theorem. The square of line AC equals the square of line CD and the square of line AD, which equals the sum of the square of 4 and the square of the sum of X and 2. We obtained equation 2 for the square of line A or C. Equate equation 1 and equation 2. The sum of 64 and the square of X equals the sum of 16 and the square of the sum of X and 2. Expand bracket. The sum of 64 and the square of X equals the sum of 16 and the square of X plus 4 times X plus 4. Combine like terms. It follows that 64 minus 16 minus 4 equals 4 times X. Simplify and we have that 4 times X equals 44. Divide both sides of the equation by 4. X equals 44 divided by 4, which equals to 11 in units. Hence, area of triangle ABC equals half the product of line AB and line B, C, which equals half the product of 8 and X. The result is equals to 44 in square units. After simplification of substituted values. Also, area of triangle ABCD equals half the product of line AD and line CD, which equals half the product of 4 and the sum of 11 and 2. The result equals 26 in square units. The green area equals the sum of the area of trapezium CGQ, a minus area of triangle ABC. And the area of trapezium ACE minus area of triangle ACD, which equals half the sum of line CG and line AQ times line GQ minus 44, which is the area of triangle ABC, and half the sum of line CE and line AH times line HE minus 26, which is the area of triangle ACD. As shown on the screen. Substitute values and we have that The green area equals half the product of 8 and the sum of 12 and 13 minus 44 plus half the product of 13 and the sum of 4 and 8 minus 26. The result is equals to 68 in square units. Therefore, the green area equals 68 in square units.